The INFINITI All-Mode 4-wheel drive system provides 2 driving positions so you can select the desired drive mode according to the driving conditions. Touch the key on the center display to select a mode. Use Auto for normal driving conditions. 4H is available in standard, snow and tow mode, and is used for driving on rocky, sandy, or snow-covered roads. When shifting to 4H, ensure that the vehicle speed is less than 62 miles per hour. Do not shift while making a turn or reversing. Additionally, do not shift while driving on dry, hard surface roads, or while driving on steep downhill grades. This indicator illuminates to show which mode is selected. If the 4-wheel drive warning message appears, the 4-wheel drive shift indicator may turn off. Please note that All-Mode 4-wheel drive is linked with drive modes. For example, when Eco, Sport, or Personal mode is selected while in 4H, 4-wheel drive mode automatically shifts to Auto. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.